Hello guys, welcome back. So this is an extension of the phytochrome effects of phytochrome, or the role of phytochrome in flowering. We have studied in the previous video, and this is an extension of that video. Okay. Now now let us take flowering in the case of short day plants. Okay, flowering in the case of short day plants. Okay, I'm writing it as SDP. SDP stands for flowering in the case of short day plants, or sorry, it stands for short day plants, and we're going to see the flowering in the case of short day plants. Now you just see here, so this is a 24 hours duration, correct? In this 24 hours duration, this is the critical dark period. Okay, this line is indicating critical dark period. Now what is going to happen is, now see here, in this plant, in this first plant, or in the first case, the night, this shaded portion is the night, the dark period. The dark period is not exceeding the critical dark period. Now this is, if the dark portion, if the dark period is more than the critical dark period, then short day plants will flower. But in the first case, it is not exceeding the critical dark period. So here what is going to happen is, it does not show any kind of flowering. Okay, so flowering is absent. Okay, flowering is absent here. Okay, so I can write it as flowering is absent. Now we'll do one more thing here. Okay, now let us assume that this plant is kept in dark period for even more longer duration of time. Okay, so we have increased its dark period. Now once we have increased its dark period, now let us do you think in this case it's going to flower? Okay, just apply the concept and tell me, in this case is it going to flower? Now see the concept here. The concept is, when the plant is given, when the plant is in the darkness, okay, so obviously what will be there? The if it is in the daylight, the PR form will get converted into the PFR form, correct? So lot of PFR form will be accumulated during the day. Now at night, when there is darkness, this PFR form will start getting converted into the PR form. And I told you PR form allows flowering in the case of short day plants, correct? Now what did we do? We have given a flash of red light. When a flash of red light is given, the PR form is again going to get converted into the PFR form. When it is getting converted into the PFR form, obviously PFR form doesn't allow flowering, so flowering is absent in this case. Now let us come to the second case. Second case, you have to identify whether it is more than the critical dark period or no. Yes, see, it is more than the critical dark period. So now next come to this condition. See, the first condition, you have given a flash of red light. So when a flash of red light is given, what form is getting converted into what form? PFR form is getting converted into the PR form, correct? When a flash of red light is given, sorry, PR form is getting converted into the PFR form. When a flash of red light is given, what is going to happen? PR form will start getting converted into the PFR form. Okay, so whatever PR form is formed here, okay, that PR form will get converted into the PFR form. I hope you are understanding how PR form is there here. See, when this is full the daylight, correct? So during the daylight, what is going to happen? When PR is exposed to daylight, more and more amount of PFR form is formed, correct? So here completely what form will be there? When it is exposed to red light, all the PR form will get converted into the PFR form, correct? So will PFR form induce flowering? No. When darkness is there, then what is going to happen? The PFR form that is accumulated, the PFR form will start getting converted into the PR form, correct? So when darkness is there, whatever PFR form is accumulated during the daylight, that PFR form will start getting converted into what form? PR form. This happens during dark, means in the far red light, correct? Now what are we doing is, we are giving a flash of red light. When we are giving a flash of red light, again this PR form will get converted into the PFR form. So flowering is inhibited. Then what did we do? We have again given a flash of far red light. Okay, so when we have again given a flash of far red light, now see what happened. There was accumulation of PFR form. When during the dark period, this PFR form got converted into PR form. Okay, that is in the far red light. Now again, when you have given a flash of light, the PR form got converted into the PFR form, correct? Now what did we do? We have given far red light. Okay, when far red light is given, again the PFR form will get converted into what form? PR form. Okay, again the when far red light is given, the whatever PFR form is there accumulated, that PFR form will get converted into the PR form, and we know PR form will result in flowering. Okay, it will help in flowering, it will not help in flowering. Obviously we know that it is going to help in flowering. So in the second case, flowering is present or absent. In the second case, flowering is present. I hope you're getting it. Okay, flowering is present. Okay, now let us come to the third condition. Third condition, daylight was there. Okay, so when daylight was there, what form will get converted into what form? PR form in the when the presence of red light will get converted into what form? PFR form. Okay, PFR form. So will the PFR form provide in help in flowering? No. PR to PFR ratio must be high. Means who must be more? PR must be more. So there is an accumulation of PFR due to the prolonged day length. Okay, due to the prolonged day length, there is an accumulation of PFR. Now what is going to happen is once this night starts, okay, this will receive far red light. Okay, when far red light is given, the PFR form will start getting converted into the PR form, correct? So when far red light is given, the PFR form is getting converted into PR form. So during this period, the PFR form is getting converted into what form? PR form. Now what did we do? We have given a flash of red light. When a flash of red light is given, then what happened? The PFR form start getting converted into the PR form starts getting converted to the PFR form. Then again, what did you do? You have given a flash of far red light. When you have given a flash of far red light, again this PFR form is getting converted into the PR form. So again flowering can be initiated. But what did you do again? You have given a flash of red light. When a flash of red light is given, again this PR form which is formed will get converted into the PFR form. So is flowering present in this case? Is flowering present in this case? No. Why? Because of this last red light, flash of red light that is given, whatever PR form was there, that PR form got converted into the PFR form. So in this case, flowering is absent. Okay, in this case, flowering is absent. Now let us come here, the last case. So again here, during the daylight, during the red light exposure, that is during the daytime, the PR form got converted into the PFR form. And we know in short day plants, PFR form inhibits flowering and PR form promotes flowering. So who must be more? PR form must be more. But due to prolonged exposure to light, the PR form got converted into the PFR form. Now, darkness has begun. When darkness has begun, slowly the PFR will get converted to the PR. So there is a chance of flowering. Now what did we do? Inhibited with a flash of light. So when it is inhibited with a flash of red light, PR form will get converted into PFR form. Again, inhibited with the once PR form got converted to PFR, so no chance of flowering. See the next condition. Again you gave far red light. When again far red light is given, again PFR form will get converted into the PR form. Again what did we give? Red light. So again PR form will get converted to the PFR form. Again what was given? Again far red is given. Again when far red is given, far red light is given, then what is going to happen? In the presence of far red light, PFR form will get converted into what form? PR form. And we know PR form, if it is there, it is going to produce flowers. Okay. So in this condition, flowering is present. In this condition, flowering is present. Okay. Flowering is present. Understood? So in the first case, there is no flowering. Okay. In the second case, there is flowering. Okay. Third case, again there is no flowering. Fourth case, again there is flowering. So what is the hint that we should take from here? The hint we should take from here is the last exposure is the critical exposure. The last exposure is the critical exposure. See here, the last exposure was far red light. Okay, when the last exposure is far red light, then what happened? Far red light, PFR will get converted into PR, correct? So when PFR is getting converted into PR, it flowers. Again, here you see the last exposure was red light. When the last exposure is red light, the red light is going to convert what to what? Red light is going to convert the PR form to PFR form. So PFR is inhibitor. It will not allow flowering in short day plants. So PFR, when it is formed, there is flowering is absent. And come to this case. This is the last case. And here what is going to happen? PFR form is there. Now this PFR form, when it is there, this is the last exposure. PFR is the last exposure. I mean, far red light is the last exposure here. Okay, when far red light is given here, now this far red light is going to convert the PFR form to the PR form. When it is converting the PFR form to the PR form, okay, PR form promotes flowering, so flowering is present here. Okay, so thank you very much.